Hey guys, Bryce Bordewick with Vern, Eide, Ford Mitchell. Today I'm going to be explaining our 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor. So what I really like about our Ford Explorer Tremor is a unique grille, badging, and accents that make it stand out. With the 3.0 liter EcoBoost, you get plenty of torque for passing, towing, and everyday driving. What I really like about the off-road tires is you're getting through anything. A lot of people live on gravel roads, so just knowing that, the higher suspension, bigger tires, you're gonna get over anything that's kind of in your way. Anyone that has a boat, I sold my aunt one. She wanted to tow a boat, does that, just that. It has that nice camera that points right at it. So backing up to a trailer, way easier. The 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor is built for drivers who want real capability without giving up the comfort. With rugged Tremor styling, enhanced off-road features, and plenty of power, it's ready for whatever the road or trail throws at you. If you want an SUV that can do it all, this is it.